That's right, we are back with part 2 of my TEMU haul because I love them, you love them. Do you see that? You know what this reminds me of? Do you guys follow Avery Woods over on TikTok? I mean, granted, this is like too big and I need to get a smaller size, but she got like this beautiful wedding set that she designed, and it legitimately reminds me of her ring. When I put this together, I was like, oh, okay. Anyways, hey, welcome. We are back and your girl's eyeball is still struggling. If you guys watch my last TEMU haul, part 1 for December, I was telling you guys how I scooped up a Cuda Kitty sugar dumplings, which is the cat that's not really my cat. It's like the neighborhood cat, but she comes and goes as she pleases. I scooped her up and I was loving on her with this side of my face, and my eyeball is quite mad at me. Yeah, it's been good fun times, let me tell you. So every time I film, my eyeball just continuously drains. I can't stop with the sparkle. Okay, now I'll be honest with y'all, when I wear this out, I will be wearing it on this side because I need to get a smaller size, but it's beautiful and I love it, and it sparkles so nice in it. It's pink. So if you've never heard of TEMU, TEMU is an app that you can download that literally has everything from jewelry to fashion to home decor, outdoor decor. They have electronics, they have things for your man, your kids, you name it, yourself. Check out my channel playlist because it literally, they have everything. They accept all major credit cards, they have free shipping, they have free returns, they have price adjustments, they have lightning deals all the time. You name it, TEMU is coming in mother trucking hot, and I love them. My beauty room, all of my Christmas ornaments are all TEMU. So you just can't beat the deals. So I always talk about their jewelry. Their jewelry is some of my favorite. I love it. You never have to worry. I told you guys last video when we went out west, I only wore TEMU jewelry because I didn't want to have to worry. So anyways, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel. Let's go ahead and jump right in. As always, I'll have everything linked and listed down below for you guys. And if for some reason I forget to put a link or something, don't worry. Just leave me a comment. I will do my best to get back to you guys. I mean, TEMU's popping. TEMU's popular. So if it's sold out, that may be why you're not seeing it, but don't worry. Oh, my husband just placed an Instacart order. I'm like, what? Anyways, but don't worry. You can click a little notify button, and when it comes back in stock, they'll be able to notify you. This is not like, I told you guys, I thought this was gonna be like a plasticky, like bubblegum machine type of ring. She's heavy. Anyways, let's go ahead and can I just say thank you, TEMU? TEMU and I are working together in today's video, and I got to pick out things. How cute are these? I don't know where I'll ever wear them, but why should I not have them in my closet? You know what I'm saying? Look at that sparkle. Okay, so I got them in a size 38, and they have a nice zip. I have a ton of TEMU boots. Okay, I love them. Let's put this on real quick. I want to see if it fits. Oh my gosh, they just fill my love tank so much when it comes to all the pink things that they have. I mean, you guys know my love of pink. Okay, so I have workout socks on right now, but these fit. Oh my gosh. Look at these guys. These are so flippin' cute. And there's room in my calf. Oh yeah, the 38 fits perfect. These are adorable. Like I said, I don't know where I'm gonna sport them, but it doesn't matter because I have them if the occasion ever arises and I'm like, wow, I could really use some pink sparkly boots that didn't cost an arm and a leg and a left kidney. And if you do the same thing, then you too can get them from TEMU. Can I just say I love the fact that they did a pink zipper and not like silver? You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, this one's silver, but nothing drives me more crazy when something is one color and then they put like a random, not them, but just brands in general, put a random zipper color in there, and I'm like, why wouldn't you have done whatever? So yay. These are adorable. I love the way they feel. They're nice, and on the inside they're like lined, and I love that it's a nude color as well. These are really cute. I'm really excited. I got the denim ones with sparkle. I've got a ton of the TEMU shoes, y'all. I really like them. So I found this, and actually I'm like, my husband had found it and was like, I think she would love it. You know how cats like to get in there and feel safe and secure? Well, it's nice and padded down here. And it kind of has what looks like grippers, but I think it's still going to slide around. Like, you guys see what I'm talking about? It's kind of like what I tell you all when you pick out the rugs. Just know that you're probably going to have to get some sort of gripper. But she can get in there and get all cozy, and it's soft on the outside. I always kind of... if you guys don't know, I'll try and pop a picture in of her. She's gray and white, perfectly matches the aesthetic of this room. So everything I pick out for her is always gray. And I got like this really cute, I call it like a papasan chair thingy, but I think she's gonna like this one better. And I like that it's hooded. Like, that is so cute. She can just get in there and be nice and cozy. And my husband said that would be something that he thought that she would really like. So thank you. So next I'm gonna put the, ooh, I think I'm gonna save these to put in a vase. The other item I'm definitely gonna put in my beauty room Christmas tree. So this is, if you guys don't know, I do not have a green thumb. I just don't. So I always get the flowers from TEMU. I just got little pink roses. I'm gonna save these for the spring though, because right now I've got like those pampas grass or whatever you guys told me it's called. And then over here I've got, do you see it right here? Right there, the peach and blue. I got those from TEMU. Ignore my tree. I'm filming a lot in one day, so we hopefully soon we'll get this poor girl put together. Probably by the time you guys see this video, the tree is looking fabulous. The price on TEMU for these was so much better than anywhere else that I had seen. So you floof them out, would probably have been a better explanation, into like a poinsettia or however you say that. Okay, I kid you not, one year I did like, I tried to be fancy and do like a blue and white themed tree. These were stupid expensive everywhere. So I was so excited because at the time there was no TEMU, but now that TEMU's here, these were like nothing. I was so excited. So yeah, these are gonna go on my beauty room tree. It's a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. You get a set of 4 of them, and like I said, the price is so good. I'm so excited over this. So they sent over a pet water dispenser, which if you caught my last video, I was like, why is this cat not drinking the water that I have inside for her? She's literally going outside and drinking a puddle of mud water. Mud. So I'm hoping with having this, which is like a constant like running type of water, that maybe she'll be like, okay, maybe I'll stay in here and drink this yummy delicious filtered water, because it is in fact filtered. You can buy like separate filters for it too. So I just got to put it together, but look at that. Yeah, it does come with instructions. So it's just like a little stream of water for her. And so I'm going to put it next to her food bowl. You can do a minimum line, max line, and it's just going to keep watering or filtering and everything. So you can use it for your cat or your dog, but hopefully this gets her even more of like, I'm going to stay in here. She won't use the cat box. I even got that special litter that is supposed to attract cats to go to the bathroom in it. Nope, she just leaves. She goes right back outside and does her business. And I'm like, well, I mean, thanks for not doing it in my house. I do appreciate that. But I would love for you to stay a little bit longer. You know, like overnight. We have sleepovers or something. And she's like, I'm good, girl. I'm good. And I'm like, but I'm not. Okay, this may have been something I picked out. May have been something Haley picked out. But either way, I'm pretty excited about this. This is so freaking cute. Oh, if Haley didn't pick this out, this is so going in my beauty room. So you floof it up, and it does come with a little, it's a little electric thingy. But how precious is this? Okay, hold on. Let me light it up for you guys so I can show you. And then I'll change the battery too. I'm gonna keep floofing. I'll be right back. Okay, so I changed the battery, but my camera, like my tripod, has decided to just not hold on to my camera. So that's so much scariness happening right now. So anyways, change the battery, and that little tree light is freaking adorable. So next thing in here that I picked out is I always keep a calendar hanging in our kitchen, just because with all of us, we're just busy people, and I like to visually, like, even if it's in a calendar on the phone, email, whatever, I still need to visibly see it on a calendar. So this is for 2024, and I think it goes up to into 2025, I think. But I like that it's different colors. Can you guys see that? You can get smaller ones as well. By the way, it is raining outside. It's so dark. It's so dreary. It's cruddy out. And the light that you guys see that I'm using, or the brightness, it's freaking from TEMU. I unboxed it a while back. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I guess these are for the Christmas tree. I feel like you can hang them in the windows, but you guys told me to be really careful with hanging little like prisms in the window. So it's plastic, so I don't know if that would really affect anything, but I'm gonna just hang it, I guess, on the Christmas tree. I love it. It's so pretty and iridescent, and it's got like a little crystal. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. It's a pack of 4 of them. Oh, and they have different size crystals on them. Honestly, I almost want to hang them from a chandelier or something. These are so adorable. Hold on, let me open the other ones. Okay, I may have fixed my stand, so let's hope the camera doesn't fall off. So let me show you guys. They're different sizes and everything. I really think these would be so pretty in a window, but you guys have me fearful, so I'm just gonna put these on the tree. But aren't they beautiful? I almost feel like they'd be really pretty outside too. I don't know. I just think they're gorgeous. I love the iridescent. They're just so pretty. I love sparkle. Y'all know. Oh my gosh, this would make an excellent gift. So for a traveler or just someone trying to organize their life. So it has an R, and it looks like that bougie, expensive organizing travel stuff. Yes. Okay, so it's got like where you could put earrings and jewelry. Does this pull down? Oh my gosh, I didn't know it did that. It's more like where you could put jewelry and hang it up. Has a little mirror in here, and then you can put your rings in here. Well, that's kind of a thick ring, but let's see. I mean, you could store them wherever. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. So if somebody's traveling, or like I said, you could just store this wherever. And I think it came in different colors as well. And of course, you can get different initials, but I love that. I love that so much. That's so cute. Wait, what? Oh my gosh. This is nice. It's a little pink sparkled nutcracker. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put that in my beauty room. Oh, you know, it's so funny because I've kind of been like ho-hum, not super in the Christmas, like, you know what I mean? Like, the weather's been weird. All of us have been like fighting cold. Like, we're all better now, but like, it just kind of, it's been crazy. So I love this. This makes me so happy because it's like, that's like good quality. That is a good quality nutcracker, guys. Like, I am so excited to put this in my beauty room. Oh my gosh. TEMU, y'all really do have it. Look. I I hope they're plastic. I mean, not that the cat, that's not my cat, has really messed with them, but I hear that cats do get in trees, which, like I said, when she comes in, she's laid under it. Oh, thank God, it's plastic. But I don't, oh my gosh, and it comes with a ribbon. But I don't want to take the chance, so I'm really excited that these are all plastic and they come with the little ribbons. Oh my gosh, I already have to finish putting the ornaments on my beauty room tree, but so this is perfect. But I love the different sizes, so I'll insert a picture of the tree and the different ornaments. I've got itty bitty tiny ones to large size ones. I think this will be like the biggest, but $369, you get 9 of them in total. And I feel like if you have kids, pets, or you're clumsy such as myself, I think these are going to be a better option personally, because oh, this one's got a little dent in it, but that's okay. Because like I don't want to break our nice ornaments. Okay, so I feel like this will be so cute in the background. Now, is this a Lego set? I think this might be a Lego set. It is. I did not read. Oh, I thought it was just a pretty little Christmas tree. So yeah, this will just turn into a gift. This is really cute though. Yeah, this is a Lego set. So if your kids like Legos, I don't have the attention span, not even gonna lie, to put a Lego set together. However, my kids really enjoy doing it. Oh, it's cool. It lights up though. So yeah, maybe the kids will put that together for me, but this would be a cute gift as well. But yeah, it'll look like this when it's done. But like I said, God forbid I had actually read. But how cute is that though? If you got a kid that'll put it together, that's awesome. Okay, more ornaments because I like variety. And how cute is that? It's like a whole little set. Pink. Now listen, I know I keep showing you pink ornaments, y'all, but you can get them in different colors. I think there was purple, red, blue, there may have been green as well. So you're not like just, oh my gosh, they only have pink ornaments. You don't have to worry about that. There's other options. All right, loves, that is everything for today's video. Once again, I think that TEMU just came in clutch with the good goods. So I will keep you guys posted on the kitty water. Maybe she'll start drinking it. Maybe she'll start using the litter box. Maybe when the weather gets colder, she'll start staying in longer. Right now, it's like up to 60-some degrees. Yeah. Like, what is that, Kentucky? I don't flipping know. So anyways, everything's going to be linked and listed down below for you guys. I'm going to try and get this edited so you guys can see it. Make sure to check out my other ones. I've got one more TEMU haul to film for December, and I'm gonna probably do that right now because it just showed up. So stay tuned for that. I'm really excited. So everything will be in my description box with coupon codes and everything for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and let me know some of the things you're picking up. I'm super excited to see what happens for the new year and all the stuff they start bringing in for the new year. So anyways, thank you once again to my YouTube members. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button. Check me out on my other channels, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls, Hot Mess in the Kitchen. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hot Mess Mama of 4. And I don't know what day this is going up, but don't forget, December 22nd, big things for Haley and I for you guys. So hopefully you guys join us. Thank you once again to TEMU for letting me pick out these goodies. I'm gonna start decorating that beauty room tree some more. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to